Hello YouTube. This is my backyard during Hurricane Irma, 11 a.m. Sunday morning. We had a couple of decent gusts. If you look down here, I don't know if you guys can see that. There is a tree leaning against the power line. So we are out of power, which sucks. That means there's no video games, there's no charging the things, there's no YouTube, except for this phone. Can't flush the toilets. You know, all the fantastic things about a hurricane. But we're safe and dry. And if it picks up a little bit, I'll post another video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe for more updates. Oh yeah, and all the rest of the YouTube stuff. Ring the bell to get notifications. Buy our merch in the merch shop. Check out these other channels that I run. Is there any other YouTube stuff you should do? Leave a comment. If this video gets 10 million likes, I'll make another one in an hour, which I'm gonna make anyhow, no matter how many likes I get. But I'm gonna pretend like the likes that you give me are what makes me make a new video, because people are dumb, and I'm dumb, and YouTube is dumb, hurricanes are dumb. Thanks, YouTube.